How to change lock screen wallpaper and colors on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. After click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen and click on wallpapers. If you want to change color wallpaper, so you will see your pictures and colors is showing here, so you will select pictures from here. After select picture, click on picture and click on done. You will see lock screen wallpaper is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change lock screen wallpaper and colors on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.